Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp, Day 2. So today what we want to talk about is why you'd like to start your affiliate online business and the benefits of doing so. So there are various reasons people start their online businesses, and affiliate marketing is one of those businesses that you can start quite quickly for the following reasons. Number 1, you don't have to create your own product or service. You have to find companies that already have affiliate programs, that already have products, that already have services. And once people, select your link and they buy the products and the services that is offered by those companies, they do the fulfillment. You don't have to have inventory. You don't need to have stock. You just a facilitator of, letting people know that there are these products that they can buy. Number 2, you can start earning quite quickly. There's not lots that you need to do to start earning with affiliate marketing. It's basically understanding where you can get the links, how you can promote them, and start earning from those sales. Number 3 is that you can find a niche and find products within that niche and start promoting almost any product in any niche, depending on what it is that you are most comfortable with. Number 4, 0 to low startup costs. You really don't need any money to get started. There is going to be some investment required if you want to take your business up to the next level, but to get started, generally, you don't need any cash. Number 5, you don't need any experience. As a beginner, you can really already start making money. You don't have to have any experience in marketing or anything like that. You can start as young as 18. Even people in their 70s and 80s are making money with affiliate marketing. So really, you don't need any experience. And number 6, affiliate marketing allows you the opportunity to earn passive income. That means that you can promote products that allows you to earn income every month without doing anything more than your initial sale. So that's the benefits of starting affiliate marketing. If you're interested in actually learning how to do this, there's a link in my bio. I've done the training before, and I would recommend that anyone that is interested in learning the true skills of affiliate marketing do training. The benefits of doing the training is that it will give you all of the skills and the tools and the understanding over and above what I'm sharing with you on how to be successful in this business. It really is something that you'd like to take seriously, and it will hugely benefit you in the long run. So follow for more for part 3 coming up.